Dry and cracked heels? Let me show you how to do a pedicure at home. Step number 1. Soak your feet in warm water for around 15 minutes. Step 2. Callus shaver. See for yourself how it removes all the dead skin. Step 3. Stainless steel foot file. Step 4. The double-sided foot file, using the coarse side first. Now the smooth side for a finished feel. Final step, feet up foot cream. Apply the cream onto your feet and gently massage. And that's it. You're all done. Just as good as a professional pedicure. My feet have